Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this ErayLife wireless doorbell. It's a wireless doorbell set and it's waterproof so you can use it outdoor. It's a wireless bell with 100 meter of range which is possible to reach with plug-in receiver. 5 volume levels, 32 melodies, LED flashing, and an easy installation for our home, for our office, and where we like to have a gong. We have here a high performance transmitter due to the ultra low power consumption and the CR2032 lithium battery included and installed, but you can replace it if its service life will be 3 years approximately, then you can replace it easily. The range is up to 100 meter and the signal penetration is really strong. The radio transmission is not disturbed by other devices in our home or those of our neighbors. And the doorbell has a huge selection of 32 melodies. We press the next or the back button to choose between the melodies. 5 volume settings with a maximum volume of 120 decibel are possible. We enjoy the present and the beautiful ringtones every time someone rings at the door. And an LED display with mute mode. It built-in LED flashlights on the receiver. A doorbell radio lights up at the touch of a button and gives us a visual indicator that someone is on the door. A lighting option is particularly important for the baby sleep time and nap time too. And we have a memory function. This programmable doorbell has an intelligent memory function. Every time we turn on the doorbell radio after a power failure, it remembers the last selected settings of the melodies. These door rings can be used for home, apartment, school, country houses, office, and more and more and more. It's really simply to attach the wireless doorbell transmitter to a wall with the included screws or the adhesive tape, as you can see. And it's comfortable and easy to install. It requires no electrical wiring and offers more freedom where the homeowner can install the doorbell. And you can see it's really easy. Get it in position, job's done. It's IP55 waterproof. That means dust and waterproof protection. The doorbell buttons works between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit to withstand the toughest weather conditions such as rain, direct sunlight, and snow and frost. And 100-meter long operation range. This high-frequency electronics technology wireless doorbell adapts the FM signal chain, which has strong anti-interference function and 1-to-1 signal pairing. Enough coverage for our whole house. Make sure we are never messing with it. And house number. Yeah, changeable name tag FB clients, a unique name tag on which we can leave our own message or contact information to our guests easily. And colorful LED display, that's really cool. Not only the blue indicator of the transmitter lights up when we press the button, but also the colorful LED indicator on the gone receiver flash. This feature is helpful for people with a strong hearing impairment. A perfect wireless doorbell for elderlies too. And 32 chimes. Short ringtones offers us more choices. The receiver has 32 pleasant ringtones to choose from. We can set a simply ding-dong, some that reminds us when the door opens for our business. A 5-level adjustable volume from 0 up to 120 decibel are possible. The sound is loud and clear enough to hear anywhere we are if a visitor joins us. And innovative memory function. This programmable doorbell has an intelligent memory function. Every time we turn on the doorbell radio after a power failure, it remembers the last selected settings of the melody. So it's really cool and we are safe with the ErayLife wireless doorbell. It's a wireless doorbell set because all is included. It's waterproof. It's a nice bell with 100-meter range with a plug-in receiver, 5 volume levels, 32 melodies, LED flashlights, or flashing option, and an easy peasy installation method for home, for office, for the garden, or what you need. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.